Hi everyone, Tashidalek and Namaste. My name is Ngawang and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm in Amherst in Western Massachusetts. It's a small town, really beautiful town, famously known for 5 colleges around here. Friend Ngawang Tsephel and I are going to swim. It's really hot today, it's Saturday. It's around 90, very surprising because for the past few days a little colder, but suddenly it jumped to 90. So we decided to go to swim. So my friend Ngawang Tsephel, the local guide, he's going to take me to Puffer's Pond, Amherst College Reservoir and Quabbin Reservoir to swim. But we are not sure because the pandemic is still active. So we don't know if these places are open to public. But we're going to check them out and hope we get a chance to swim today.
It's a small town in Western Mass. It's a college town. Small population, small Tibetan American population here. Grew up here. Yeah, not much to do, but if you like the outdoors, just being with nature, then you'll like this town. It's close to Boston and New York. Boston 2 hours away, New York 3 hours away, so not too bad. What I like most about the location, how close it is to the major cities, and as well as how full of nature it is.
We're getting close to UMass, one of the colleges.
See the dorms, so those are where undergrads live. I went to school in UMass, University of Massachusetts Amherst. I did my business major here. So this college was created in 1860s during the Civil War. It used to be first an agricultural college. That's the local bus, PVTA. This is the center of college called Haggis Mall. So we're now in North Amherst. We just drove past UMass campus.
Oh, we are inside Puffer's Pond. Thankfully it's open, but we have to follow some guidelines. We have to keep 6 feet distance. We have to wear masks. Basic rules we have to follow. It's really sunny. It should be fun. It's really beautiful. Water is really clean. We find a good spot to swim, but we don't want to stay whole day because we're going to go to the next destination. We still have Quabbin Reservoir and Hampshire College Reservoir, and we just added one more spot, which is Jump Bridge. So next we're going to go to Jump Bridge. Jump Bridge is a small stream, but there's a little bridge. From that we jump. That's why it's called Jump Bridge. Very close to your house, right?
Yep, it's right behind my house. I've been going there for 20 years almost. It's a very nice hidden place that only locals know.
So there's the bridge where you have to jump.
So, Little, you gonna jump off the bridge today? No? I think we used to jump off the bridge, right?
The water is a little muddy, so I'm a little nervous about going into the water because you see, I hurt my knees.
Oh no.
Yeah, while
Yeah.
playing soccer, so
Okay.
the water is a little dirty. I don't want to get.
Okay. Is it better now? Is your knee?
Not better.
Yeah. Still bad? Still hurting?
Hurts a little bit. Oh, how do you feel?
Feel great. It's always great feeling to come back to Quabbin Reservoir. Right now it's very empty. Not really that many people because of the COVID. Just nature all around. No. No?
It's not like whole water. You see some stone there? So that means when we go down, we can land on the stone instead of just straight into the water.
Yeah.
Spot.
Yeah. We're back after almost a decade.
But the water is all dried up. It's so sad. I think it's a global warming. It used to be like a stream or a river, like really clear water. The water is not moving at all, and it's not really clean. You know, I can smell like those fungus type of smell. This is the best spot to swim, in the middle of nowhere, into the woods. But now the water is all dried up. Like, damn, I'm so disappointed. Now we're gonna go to, I think, Hampshire College Reservoir.